Hi, it's Ty, the real estate guy, and I'm standing in front of a house that the price was just reduced. This is 3,700 total square feet. Also, the builder's offering an incredible incentive on this house. It's gonna drop the house payment a ton. I mean, hundreds of dollars per month. I'll put all the details for this house in the description below, and I'll talk about the incentive at the end of the video. Okay, so you're looking at the front of the house here. Let's step inside. All right, so stepping inside, you can see there is a large family room ahead, but off to the left here, you can see there is a massive office or flex room, however you want to use this space. And then off to the right here, you have your bathroom. And you have your coat closet right here. This is the basement. We'll check that out in just a second here. You can see the stairs heading up there. You can see this really large family room. We got 9-foot ceilings here on the main floor. We're gonna step into this back corner over here. And I'll show you the backyard here as well in just a minute. You can see how much open space is in this area. This is a big area. We'll go out and look at the backyard here in a second. So stepping through the dining area, you got the kitchen here. Now there's no refrigerator here right now, but the refrigerator is included. You can see you've got a gas stove there, microwave, and one of the best things is you have this massive pantry back here. Look how big this pantry is. On the other side of the pantry, you have a 2-car garage here. You can see it is fairly deep right here, so you could easily get a truck in here. So let's take a cruise through the kitchen here. You can see a nice large island here. Oh yeah, and we'll check out the backyard here in just a second. But look, if I step in the corner, look how much space is here. That's perfect for entertaining. And then looking out the backyard, you can see it's a decent sized backyard here. It goes to where that black tarp ends. And I think the highlight is that you got all this green space behind you, so a bunch of houses and a jogging trail. All right, heading out the stairs here, you can see there's a window here, which is great. Let that natural light in. And you come into this giant open loft or family area here as well. We've got the master bedroom to the right, but we're gonna check that out last. But heading down this way, you can see you've got your laundry room here. This house also comes with a washer and dryer, which aren't here yet, but that is included. And right here, we're in bedroom number 1. So we're gonna step into the corner here. And you see you've got the closet right back there. We'll check it out super quick. All right, so there you go. There's your closet. And so now, walking back through the loft area, you can see you got your bathroom here. This is bedroom number 2. All right, let's go check out the bathroom. You can see double sinks here. That's great. And this is bedroom number 3 back here. Okay, so stepping back into here. Once again, there's your closet. Let's go check out that master bedroom. Okay, so once again, you see that nice big window right there, coming up the stairs here, and there's your master. Also known as your owner's suite. So you see nice big room, and this is something I always forget to point out, but they do some of these little things like this, which is really great when you have phones and all those things to charge. You see you've got the 2 windows here. Your bed would sit right in that location, and that takes you across from where the TV would hang. It is a shower only here, but they've added that nice window up there, which is always appreciated. You got a nice deep linen closet here, your toilet area back there, and you have a huge closet here. I mean, look at the size of this closet. Matter of fact, let's just twirl in a circle here and give you a feel for how much space is here. There's tons of hanging space in this closet. Then, you can see here, you've got the double sinks and can lights above, which is a great idea. So That's everything upstairs. That's bedroom number 4. So you have 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms in this house. Let's head on downstairs and we'll check out the basement. Look up to the left first. You can see there's some storage here under the stairs. You got your furnace there and your electrical panel over there as well. Right here is awesome because you're already set up for a bedroom or an office. Perfect location for something like that. Nice quiet spot away from the rest of the family if needed. And you got a tankless water heater. Let's check that out really quick. Spinning around, you can see tankless water heaters included. All right, now we've got over here your pre-plumbed for a bathroom over here in the corner. And this is a huge room here. You can see, look how much space is here. You can finish this as a giant family area. You could probably put, another bedroom back here if you wanted to. And I think one positive thing to talk about is you can see the windows are partially out of the ground, so it makes it nice and bright down here. Doesn't feel so dungeness. The other thing that's important to point out is the ceilings are crazy tall down here. Look how high the ceilings are there. So even if this basement is finished, it's not gonna feel too small. If you have questions or you'd like to tour this home, you can call me at the phone number below. And just remember that all the information for this house is in the description below. So this floor plan is called the Payson, and it's priced at $539,990. You get 2,562 finished square feet and over 3,700 total square feet. And upstairs, you can do 4 bedrooms and a loft or 5 bedrooms. And here's a look at the floor plan. The basement is not shown. Hit pause if you need more time. I'm moving on. Now, what about this crazy incentive? Right now, Meritage Homes is offering up to $65,000 in savings. They've dropped the prices of their homes, plus they're buying down your mortgage rate, giving you an unbelievably low monthly mortgage payment. Damn! Are you wondering if it's a good time to buy real estate? If so, you'll wanna watch You Should Buy a Home Now due to this. And if you're moving here from another state, you should probably check out Watch This before you move to Utah. Look for my other recommended videos in the description below. If you're looking to buy, sell, build a home, or invest in Utah real estate, I get contacted all the time. Please feel free to call or text me with your questions. I'd love to meet you, and I'm honored to serve you. For everyone else, please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have a friend or a family member looking to build a home, you can easily text this video to them. And please, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the bell to be notified each time I post new videos. Also, you can find me on Instagram at Ty, the Real Estate Guy. If you found this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to ring that little bell below. Make you feel good.